They're precious. Hello, my Tim Tam. Hello, my precious Tim Tam. Tim Tam, darling. I know, my giant. You are my giant. My large giant. You're not forgotten, darling. You're not forgotten, my large giant. Big Boofhead giant. Beautiful giant. I love you, my giant. I love you, my giant. No, but you can't go down with the other little ones because you're too big and giant. You boss them around, so big ones here, little ones down there. Everything in order. There, my Tim Tam. You got one roogie, but it's not going to hatch, guess what? But you don't know it's a fake one. No more bubbies for you, but you can have a nice little life. You can have a nice life, my giant. My gentle giant. You're my gentle giant. You weren't so gentle, but you are a gentle giant. You're my beautiful giant. Oh, that's nice, my giant. That's it, my giant. That's a good giant. My giant. My big, big, large giant. They're precious. They're precious. No more bubbies for you. No more bubbies, my giant. What are you doing, Tim Tam? You biting mummy, Tim Tam? I know. It's a little bit sad. But you got a nice little life. You got a nice husband. You got a nice husband. And you've had 2 bubbies. So that's nice. And you, my giant. You're my beautiful giant. Very large bird giant. Beautiful. I love you, my big giant. Big, big, precious giant. There you are, darling. Very gentle. You can be a bit stroppy, but you can also be very gentle. There, my Tim Tam. You're a little timid Tim Tam, but you got tamed up, Tim Tam. You got tamed up, my Tim Tam. My Tim Tam. Where are you going, my giant? Where are you going, my giant? There's your breakfast there, darling. There's your breakfast for my bird. Breakfast for my big bird. My big birds. My little birds. Big ones here. Little ones down there. There, darling. They're precious. They're precious, giant. Oh, my large giant. There, darling. Big boy. Big Boofhead. Big giant Boofhead. There, my Tim Tam. See how your bubbies are going, all right? Or your big bubbies. Okay.